How to get Audible affiliate link from Amazon Associates. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can get an Audible affiliate link from your Amazon Associates in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to allow yourself to do this, what you are going to be doing is obviously you're going to sign up with your Audible. Now, to note, Audible is an Amazon company and it's directly affiliated with Amazon Associates. So you can promote Audible through Amazon Associates and you can drive visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links. And then you can make money when your visitors buy Audible products or services on Amazon. So Audible is obviously simple, significant products, and those products are going to be on the Amazon website, and you're going to get links through Amazon Associates. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on become an affiliate, which will take you through the Amazon Associates Central. And from the Amazon Associates Central, you're obviously going to choose the Audible links by signing into your Amazon account, and it's going to give you the Audible affiliate link from the Amazon Associates Central dashboard. And from there on out, you're going to do your marketing, and everything's going to be good to go. So make sure to come to audible.com/ep/affiliate-intro, and everything should be good to go. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.